Look, I just want you to steer clear from danger. And today, boys, if you're looking for that long-term relationship, that girl that you want to settle down with, the girl you want to love, these are the 5 types of girls you should be dating. Let's hop into this. Number 1, the straight A student. See, they're the ones that prioritize schools and intelligence over just partying and using their body for attention and getting what they want out of life. This is good for 2 reasons. 1, conversations tend to be deeper. They tend to be more valuable, which is the type of woman you want for a long-term relationship. But also number 2, you're not worried about this girl being out and about looking for male validation because they need it, because these girls are focused on something else. 2, the one who matches your effort. This one is key, boys, and too many of you are too much of a simp to realize it, but the reality is the girl that puts an equal amount of effort that you're putting into that relationship, if not more effort than you are, that's the one you want to bag. You know how exhausting it's going to be for you to try to carry the load of the entire relationship on your back? You text her, she takes hours to respond. When she does respond, you text her paragraphs, she texts you a few words. In person, you're the one doing the gifts, you're the one planning the dates, you're the one keeping the fire going, all because you're trying to sustain something that doesn't really exist. On the flip side, when you find a girl that actually is putting in effort, she'll text you first. She'll tell you, oh, we should go on a date. Sometimes she'll even plan it. Some girls will even offer to pay, which, again, I always pay. But the gesture is a great sign that, this girl is equally invested. You get her nice gifts, she gets you nice gifts. That's what we're talking about. And you know what? Speaking of nice gifts, you should be gifting yourself something nice this Saturday, July 23, boys. Our new Essentials collection is dropping. And this collection, on top of it being clean, it's limited and it comes with an offer. See, for the first time ever, not only is the collection super, super limited. In other words, it's the smallest one we've ordered, and I've talked about it before. It's because of supply chain issues, etc. That means it's gonna fly. But on top of that, I wanted to give you guys something extra. So for any of you that buy the backpack bundle, which is our new backpack, which is basically a 2-in-1, you've seen it. It turns into a satchel or a crossbody bag, and buy our new polo shirt and our new performance trousers that you're seeing here right now. If you buy that bundle, you're gonna get a free 3-pack t-shirt bundle, which is gonna consist of 1 bamboo t-shirt, 1 oversized tee like I'm wearing right now, and 1 Tencil t-shirt. Those are our 3 best-selling t-shirts in a complete bundle that you're gonna get for free if you buy the backpack bundle this Saturday, July 23rd, which is the perfect gift for yourself, bro. Whether you are or without a girlfriend, gift this to yourself. Make your wardrobe look nice, because you're never gonna see an offer like this. Boys, put that reminder on your phone. If I were you, I would get there at 9:50 a.m. because this Saturday, July 23rd, this stuff's gonna fly. 3, the family-oriented one. This is not an end-all, be-all. These are usually just certain parameters that help you find a better partner. Reduce some of the red flags. And if you wanna find a balanced girl, a loyal girl, again, that doesn't need or seek male validation as much as others, find a girl that comes from a 2-parent household. Look, this is not guaranteed, but it is statistically advantageous, similar to how men who don't come from a 2-parent household also underperform in every single metric of their life. That's because when you do come from that family-oriented household, you have both figures, if they are rational figures, to look up to and have that balance in your life that you can then recreate later on in your life. 4, women with low body counts. Yes, it matters. And anyone that says otherwise is a cuck to be, because statistically and scientifically, it is proven that the more bodies, I think it's after a woman reaches 5 bodies, if I'm not wrong. I'll put the study on screen here. Their chances of divorce go up by like 80%. And that's because the more bodies a woman has, the less she's able to connect with another individual, meaning that a long-term relationship is not feasible. Again, these are just red flags for you, where if even though you might love her, just know that down the road, once you stop thinking with your penis, things might not be so pretty because she's not able to make that connection anymore. And finally, number 5, girls that don't have male friends. And if she does have them, if she's not willing to give them up, that's a red flag. See, I call that BS, because guys and girls cannot be friends, and if you believe that, you're Cuck Junior from the other guy. You're gonna get played, bro. Most guys are sitting on the sidelines waiting for the opportunity. Bro, I've done this multiple times, and I guarantee you, if your girl's in that same position, challenge her. Challenge her. Whoever the guy is, be like, yo, let me text that guy through your phone. Let me send him a DM through your Instagram and tell him that you like him. Or, you know what, you've always had feelings for him. I promise you, 99% of the time, the guy will consider it. The guy will be like, oh, you know what? I have thought the same. Bro, guys are waiting on the sidelines. And if there ever comes a point that you two are fighting, guess who she's running to? The other dude who's going to be there to console her. Bro, don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. Don't be dating the girl that has a bunch of guy best friends. That's it for your boy. See you next time.